biggest number from 3 numbers. Java program. Algorithm. Assign 3 numbers to variables a, b, and c. Use if-else statements to compare the values of a, b, and c. If a is greater than b and c, output the value of a. If b is greater than a and c, output the value of b. If c is greater than a and b, output the value of c. If a, b, and c are equal, output all numbers are equal. Procedure. Declare 3 integer variables a, b, and c and assign their values. Use if-else statements to compare the values of a, b, and c. Print the output based on the comparison. Pseudocode. Declare a, b, c as integers. Set a equals 10. Set b equals 20. Set c equals 30. If a greater than b and a greater than c, then print a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c, then print b. Else if c greater than a and c greater than b, then print c. Else print all numbers are equal. End if. Java code. Public class biggest number. Public static void main, string, args. Int a equals 10. Int b equals 20. Int c equals 30. If a greater than b and a greater than c. System.out. Print ln, the biggest number is plus a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c. System.out. Print ln, the biggest number is plus b. Else if c greater than a and c greater than b. System.out. Print ln, the biggest number is plus c. Else. System.out. Print ln, all numbers are equal. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. The biggest number is 30.